Our winters are getting warmer and wetter, which means that insects like disease-carrying mosquitoes and annoying garden pests are coming out earlier and in greater numbers. The only solutions available in the market are unnatural chemicals and pesticides that burn our skin and endanger local wildlife. The solution? Bats. A common bat can eat up to 1,000 mosquito-sized insects and garden pests in a single hour, making BatBnB home to one of nature's greatest forms of pest control.
Hi, I'm Harrison.
And I'm Chris.
We're here in Lexington, Kentucky, and we've been developing BatBnB for over a year now.
Our mission is simple. We want to help get bat houses into people's yards to keep families safer from mosquitoes and pests, and in turn offer safe homes for bats to raise their pups.
One of my favorite words as a conservationist is symbiosis. Humans and plants and animals can live together with mutual benefit. When bats got on my radar, or my sonar, my echolocation, I got really excited because you know what? Where my mom lives in Long Island, there's a big mosquito problem. So I'm gonna get one of these bat houses so that they come live with us and help us reduce our mosquitoes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on just a sec. Aren't bats scary and dangerous? Well, they're not. And here's why. There are hundreds of thousands of bats already living in American bat houses, and there isn't a single record of a bat house owner having been harmed by a bat. In fact, if you treat bats with respect, they'll keep to themselves and reward you by eating lots of harmful insects. It's so important to get along with bats now more than ever because they need our help. Bats are dying due to the spread of white nose syndrome disrupting their hibernation, wind turbines causing bleeding in their lungs, and deforestation which is destroying their habitats.
The Organization for Bat Conservation is thrilled to work with BatBnB to help give bats safe places to raise their babies so that we have more bats doing the things they're supposed to do.
We rented our BatBnB because we had a bit of a bug problem. But honestly, it was a little more than that. Our children became scared of bats, watching them on cartoons. They just get a really bad reputation. We wanted to teach them that bats are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control the bugs, and they're really good for our yard.
All of our product specifications are based on decades of scientific research into the most successful bat houses, as well as on cutting-edge input from researchers in the field.
Hi, I'm Merlin Tuttle. I've studied bats for more than 50 years, and I've been involved in development of the BatBnB product line since its inception. Frankly, I don't know of any bat houses anywhere that are better designed to accommodate bats, last longer, or look better.
Your home and your yard are reflections of your style, which is why we want you to have options when it comes to choosing your BatBnB. We're going to be offering 3 different styles when it comes to our standard size model, which houses up to 100 bats. And we're also offering one deluxe roost-sized edition that houses up to 200 bats. Make the commitment today to help keep your family and garden safer from mosquitoes and pests without resorting to harmful pesticides. By making this investment, you're not only getting a sustainable form of pest control, you're also offering a safe home for an animal in need.
Check out the perks on our Indiegogo campaign page to find the BatBnB that's right for you.